Alright, so on my old channel, guys, I introduced the fact that I was going to start doing little Barbie bike rides and all whatnot, you know, acting dumb on little tiny bikes. I got the first one up and going. It's pretty nice little hot rod, ain't it? I mean, it goes at least 5 miles an hour. That's pretty good. I don't know if I uploaded it to my old channel, but I had a video of me sending it into a mud hole. That was a pretty fun day. You know, this ain't very bad vlogging on this little bike. It's actually really controllable too. Let's see if I can pop a Yui without wiping out. Oh yeah. That's where it's at. Oh yeah. That side of the road. One bad thing about living on gravel, these little street tires, they absolutely hate gravel. They don't grab. Sorry if the camera's really shaky, I'm resting my hand. I mean, I got a pretty nice steady camera hand, don't I? I'm actually really surprised with that, because like, if you look at my hands whenever I'm working in videos, they're all shaking back and forth. I'm going to start doing uploads of me and my stepbrother Jane going out on the ride in his 2000 Blazer. And eventually, once I get this job for Truesdale Park Service, I'll still be trying to upload, but other than that, I think that car just gave me a dirty look because I'm holding my phone and riding a little sissy bike. But yeah. I'll be working for Truesdale Park Service pretty soon. Or at least that's the plan. This thing needs to go faster. Alright guys, see you later. Talk to you in the next video. This thing is really getting out of hand really fast. I'm one-handed, so yeah. Comment down below what you think I should do with this little bike.